Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Volkswagen Golf from any screen onto nav. I'll just wait for that for the bottom screen to go off. You see, all you can see there is the map. However, if you approach it with your hand, then the bottom menu comes up. You've got new destination, my destinations, my tours, so previous destinations, new destination we want, United Kingdom here, city, start. So we want city, but if we click on city, you've then got the option to put in which city you have, but you've got PTCD here, which you've got a space bar that's that big. PTCD is that big. You would think they'd make it that big and put postcode in, but anyway, they don't. So, no doubt. That's all down to Brexit. So, postcode. We click on PTCD. We want ABC, the menu. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR, and then we need numbers. So we click on the 1, 2, 3 at the bottom. Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5. We probably now need a space. So back to ABC, click on space, back to 1, 2, 3, 4, back to ABC, J, S. That's what it's showing there. We'll click on it and then click start. So somebody has made a system which could be so simple, but they've made it too difficult. But once you get to know how to use it, then it's fine. That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.